Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own tax. Filing your own taxes might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process once you understand the steps. We'll cover everything from gathering your essential documents to choosing the right filing method, and finally submitting your return. By the end, you'll feel much more confident about managing your tax obligations independently. Let's get started and demystify tax season together, saving you time and potentially money. Before you begin, the first crucial step is to gather all your important tax documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 from employers and any 1099 forms for interest or dividends. Don't forget records for potential deductions and credits, such as receipts for medical expenses or charitable contributions. Having everything organized upfront will make the entire filing process much smoother and help ensure accuracy. Once your documents are ready, it's time to choose how you'll file. Many people opt for tax software, which guides you step by step and performs calculations automatically. You can also file using paper forms, though this requires more manual effort. For those with lower incomes, free online filing services are often available. Electronic filing, or e-file, is generally recommended for its speed, accuracy, and quick refund processing, often within 21 days. The final stage involves a thorough review and submission. Before hitting send or dropping it in the mail, meticulously check every section of your return. Ensure all numbers are correct and your personal information, especially your social security number, is accurate. Once you're confident, submit your return electronically for the fastest processing, or mail your paper forms well before the deadline. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your own taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.